Welcome to the introduction to Sage 300 ERP. There's an old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Although it has become a popular phrase, if this is true, society and humanity would never have progressed. Take, for example, the abacus. Also known as accounting frame, it is an ancient way to be able to perform arithmetic processes. Nothing is broken about it. It has been a reliable tool for traders and merchants for centuries. But you're not going to excel with it as a business today. Why not? Technology. Technology has continued to change since the days of the abacus that has given us calculators, computers, smartphones, and tablets. Just like the abacus, companies need to be able to change their processes to the market demands and customer desires. It's important to note that technology alone doesn't achieve anything, but technology enables your company to be more flexible. And technology is growing our data really fast. Research shows that data is growing at an average rate of 56% year over year for businesses. If we were to assume 10 gigabytes of data today, in 6 years we would have over 90 gigabytes of data. That's a lot of data and information that businesses can use to help them stay ahead of their competition. This is why the abacus has become outdated and we've moved on to smartphones and tablets. At some point, the information coming in becomes too much, and we need to adapt to something that will allow us to be able to handle the new complexity. A more similar example would be doing long division by hand or on a calculator. Although you can do it by hand, it's not practical when you're doing numerous calculations. Even with the explosion of data, technology allows you to understand that data in new ways, much quicker and faster than manually looking through information. It allows you to connect with your customers in new experiences. It also allows you to be connected to the cloud, enabling you to get your information at any time from anywhere. This allows your company to be able to connect with and grow your customers from anywhere and allow you to be able to understand how your bottom line is impacted. I'm sure most of you, if not all, have a smartphone or tablet at home, and your customers have adapted to this change as well. Over the past year, Sage has been interviewing and surveying our customers regarding their business goals for 2013. The list seems like your usual suspects: reduce costs, manage growth, etc. But in reality, what each one of these things is saying is that the business needs to change. If you want to grow sales, you can't continue to do what you've always done. You need to change, and that change could be adding a new salesperson, creating new marketing material, or something that will continue to allow you to change to the market needs. In the same way, if you want to be able to be easier to do business with, you need to change how you do business. You might need to implement a customer relationship management software or change internal processes that are burdened by manual work. In all pieces, the one thing stays the same. You need to change in order to get better. Not surprisingly then, leading organizations are able to continually change their business processes, using their business management software to be flexible and adapt to those market conditions and customer needs. This allows them a distinct advantage over their competition, just like Netflix had over Blockbuster when they didn't adapt quickly enough. Having a 45% advantage over your competition will not only let you adapt to your customers faster than the stragglers, but you'll most likely see a monetary value to the organization as well. In fact, companies that are leaders have seen an 18% increase in profit margins over the past 2 years. Being flexible and using technology to change and adapt helps your business to grow and your profit to rise. This is fantastic for companies that do use technology to their advantage. But what about businesses that are still using older systems and more manual processes? Well, studies show that if you are using an outdated business system, it actually has a negative effect on your business. Not only are you not receiving the potential benefits of changing, but instead, just like Blockbuster, you're actually hurting your business by not adapting to change. You're not able to reduce costs, manage growth, and you won't be able to be easier to work with when using outdated systems. Change. Companies that don't change will continue to struggle, as we just saw on the slide before. Companies that do change will be able to grow, earn profits, and achieve success as their customers change. I think change was best summed up by GE legend Jack Welch. Change before you have to. This chart represents the four main technological capabilities that are the key ERP capabilities for any business to consider. If we break out this chart, we see that almost all companies are seeing benefits through standardization today. But there are three big differences in this chart. If we look above the line, we see that leading companies are cross-functionally improving, expanding through visibility into their business and processes, and centralizing their systems to increase efficiency. Broken down into simple terms, the differences between leaders and followers in their business management software is that their software is connected, intelligent, and global. Three pieces that will help them to adapt to change in today's market. Connected, intelligent, and global. These are the three main pillars of Sage 300 ERP that assist Sage customers to be flexible and adapt to change. First, let's understand how Sage 300 ERP is connected. Take a look at your business. Do you have multiple departments? My guess is that not only do you have multiple departments, but they each have different processes and systems. Sage 300 ERP covers your full business needs, from accounting and finance to sales and marketing and human resources and payroll. By having information shared between departments, you're able to collaborate better with your teams while still allowing each department to retain control over the actual information. This means that your sales team has access to see information from accounting or the warehouse without being able to change sensitive information. Marketing can see customer information in any relevant notes, enabling them to target their messaging to your customers' needs. Field service employees can view notes from customer service without ever having to pick up the phone. Your employees will be able to see their pay history online through your HR portal. Your teams are connected to each other, helping you to communicate and adapt as your customers' wants and needs change. And with online portals, you're able to access your information from anywhere. Not only does HR have an employee portal allowing your employees to see pay history, you're able to access Sage 300 ERP's core accounting information via the web through any major browser. This means that you can work from anywhere, allowing you to accomplish your goals from wherever you might be. Your sales teams will be able to access their customer information through a tablet, phone, or browser as well. Information that allows them to stay in constant contact with your customers and access sales history. We are also releasing 2 mobile apps which will be available very soon. One for your sales teams to have an interactive digital catalog and ordering system through an iPad for on-site customer meetings. And one for your field services teams to access their schedules, view real-time and historical customer information, and complete work orders from their iPhone. Information at your fingertips wherever you are. That's intelligent. Not only is having information beneficial, but being able to automate processes and see information in new ways keeps your business intelligent. And that intelligence starts with your processes. Visually seeing the process required to complete a task is not only helpful in training new employees, but as your processes change, it's beneficial to make sure all employees are following the appropriate steps. Adapting to market conditions and customer needs is simplified with visual process flows. An intelligent system will also help automate email messages. Automatically emailing invoices, customer shipment notifications, and other information without having to initiate the task will help your employees be more productive. Having alerts not only through email but through a screen pop, instant message, or numerous other ways will help to keep your finger on the pulse of the business, allowing you to know when something critical needs to be addressed or be alerted when business conditions that you choose happen. The information you need as it happens allows you to change and stay intelligent. Intelligent systems allow automation through workflow to help you to be more efficient, increasing your profit by automating specific tasks. Not only does it help you to go paperless, but there is no longer a need to manually look for things to change. For instance, if you have a customer that goes over their net 30-day limit, the system can automatically place them on credit hold, send an email to the customer to let them know they are past due, including their invoices, and alert your collections team about the change. In that alert, they can provide your team with the customer phone number and invoice information, allowing them to pick up the phone right away. Intelligent systems work for you so you can get back to working on your business and analyze, Insight on demand. Insight into your data helps you to visually see your data to spot trends, understand your operations at the click of a mouse, and explore transaction-level detail as needed. With Sage 300 ERP Intelligence Reporting, you're able to report on any part of the system at any time, combining information from any division. Interactive dashboards allow you to change data on the dashboard as you're using it and allows you to be able to click to see detailed information behind it. Report distribution means that you're able to get your report when you want it and allowing anyone in your organization to be added to the distribution list. No more running reports and forwarding them out to your team. Distribution can be done via email, shared folder, or FTP site. Easy access to your information through powerful reporting and customizable dashboards helps you to be able to transform data into insight. Intelligent systems are flexible systems that assist you with change anywhere. Today's world is a global world, and your business fits into the global economy. Having your information in one system means you have a single point of truth. Without the need to export and import data into multiple systems, you're able to have strong audit trails that points to correct information every time. Intercompany transactions and GL consolidations mean that your enterprise operates as one, with robust reporting and a common, easy-to-use interface. Having a single system also means that when it's time to upgrade, every company within your organization upgrades together. Every department will change together, keeping your company advancing as one connected and intelligent global business. With Sage Advisor Update, the system will automatically let you know when it's time to update, so you can stay current when the market moves as it moves. And if you're working with customers in other countries, you might be communicating in different languages and collecting different currencies. With Sage 300 ERP, you're able to do business wherever your customers are and the places the market takes you. Staying current with global changes through a flexible system will help you to be a leader in your market. We want to visually show you how easy Sage 300 ERP is for you to use. So let's take a look at what we reviewed today. We will go through the quote to invoice process using different tools available to you with Sage 300 ERP. Let's start with taking a look at Sage CRM. Sage CRM is your salesperson's resource to be able to do their job daily. When logging into Sage CRM, they are able to understand their book of business at a quick glance through their personalized dashboard. This includes any opportunities that they are currently working on, a view of their calendars to see their schedule for the day, or any other piece of information that they would like to have on their dashboard, all customizable according to user settings. The dashboard is also a place that a salesperson can use to be able to quickly launch into their actions. If a salesperson wanted to take a look at an opportunity, they can click into it directly from the dashboard gadget. After entering into the opportunity, it is very easy to quickly navigate to create a quote. Since all of the information in Sage CRM is synced directly with Sage 300 ERP, this means that your salespeople have the information they need to serve your customers at their fingertips, and they don't have to wait on information back from other people, including any stock information that they may be looking for. And if you're using Sage Alerts and Workflow, it also means that as your salespeople finish entering their quotes, those quotes can be automatically emailed to your customers in real time, saving your sales team from having to do extra work and allowing you to increase your sales team's productivity. It's simple, quick, and easy for your sales teams to be able to take care of your customers. It's also very easy for your salespeople to be able to take a quote and convert that quote to an order. The beauty of having it done through Sage CRM is that they're able to access and do all of this without having to touch any of the sensitive accounting data. They're able to review the order before they continue the process to make sure everything is correct, and even be able to change anything on the fly. Afterwards, again, your customer can have their order directly emailed to them, automatically using Sage Alerts and Workflow. You can also get notified as a sales manager, or be able to use Sage Alerts and Workflow to notify anyone that may need to review the order. And if the sales rep did want to send a personal note to the customer, it is very easy to be able to send an email directly from their sales dashboard. By simply clicking on the email icon of a contact, it allows your sales team to be able to send an email directly through the system or through connectivity with Outlook. It also makes your sales team more productive by being able to have templates and signatures built directly into the system, allowing them to send an email very quickly and easily right through Sage CRM. And the system helps them manage not only their day by using an advanced calendaring and task management system, but it also allows them to be able to manage their current opportunities with their customers. Opportunity management with Sage CRM is as easy as clicking on a salesperson's pipeline to understand what opportunities are where in the sales cycle. A productive sales team means happier customers, as your customers' attentions and needs are taken care of quickly and easily. Let's take a look at that order through the Sage 300 ERP portal. The Sage 300 ERP portal allows you to be able to log into your Sage 300 ERP system via any major web browser. You simply navigate to your server site and log in with your username and password. After you enter the portal, you will notice different charts and graphs. These are your snapshots that give you a quick view into your business. They can be turned on or off depending on user preferences. You can also drill down into the information here, allowing you to get the information you need right away, helping you to be more productive. Since the sales order from Sage CRM is synced, let's take a look at the order through the Sage 300 ERP portal. Simply click the order entry shortcut to be able to be taken to the order entry screen. We can search for the order directly through here and be able to select the order that we placed earlier. We can make any changes to the system that we need. In this case, changing the description to show that this is now an order instead of a quote. And afterwards, we can then be able to post this to update the order. From this screen, we're also able to take a look at what the order confirmation will look like. We can simply click print to be able to get a print preview of the order confirmation, showing all of the customer information as well as the totals. Again, this can be done directly with Sage Alerts and Workflow to automatically have it emailed to your customer. We can simply close out of this and know that our order has been posted and updated correctly. Accessing your information from a web browser will help you to stay ahead of your competition and be flexible as you continue to operate your business. Let's take a look at the shipping and invoicing process for this order through the Sage 300 ERP desktop. Upon logging in, you'll notice the visual process flows for Sage 300 ERP, which allow anyone within your organization to be able to know the processes that your company uses to do business daily. They are fully customizable, and they are helpful for training new hires, training teams as processes change, and also gives users quick access to the tasks that they need to do. We can take a look at the shipping function for order entry. It is very easy to be able to use the built-in Sage 300 ERP functionality to ship items to your customers, and if needed, the addition of Sage Shipping for Sage 300 ERP gives you advanced shipping functionality if your business requires. As we can see, all of the information has been synced across Sage CRM, the Sage 300 ERP portal, and our Sage 300 ERP desktop, allowing your company to be able to work no matter who or where they are. Invoicing within the system can be accessed through your visual process flow, allowing you to easily start the invoicing process. Sage 300 ERP also helps your organization with being able to securely take credit card payments. Integrated processing through a PCI compliant application allows your organization to be able to save on every transaction, helping to improve your productivity and your profitability as an organization. Your customers will also be happy that you are storing their information in a PCI compliant way, which allows them to more easily do business with you. And by using Sage Payment Solutions, it will also allow you to use Sage Billing and Payments, which is an online portal that allows your customers to be able to pay invoices directly to you, as well as allows you to be able to do electronic invoicing to your clients. That means no more printing out invoices, stuffing envelopes, and putting on stamps, saving your organization costs not only in sending out the information, but also helping you to get paid faster. Sage 300 ERP allows you to use technology to stay ahead of your competition and to improve your business. System reporting is also customizable, so that way we can be able to change the information that you see, allowing you to be able to use this according to your policies. It also means that your customers will get to see the information that they want to see, whether it's an invoice, receipt confirmation, or any other system report. Having your information be able to be easily shared across all your departments allows you to be able to deliver a great experience, both internally with your employees and externally to your customers. Sage 300 ERP is your business management tool. Sage Intelligence Reporting gives your organization insight into the data that is stored in your Sage 300 ERP system. It is also equipped with desktop shortcuts, allowing you to be able to launch a report from your desktop without having to log into your Sage 300 ERP system. Simply fill in the parameters that the report requires, and the system will begin to run the report. Each report is fully customizable and allows for easy customization. Just make the changes to your report and save the report in Sage Intelligence Reporting System, and the system will make sure to copy those changes and deliver it the same way next time. You're able to report on any part of your business, like sales information as we see here. Since the reports are in Excel, you're able to change the information using built-in Excel properties and even be able to drill down into the transaction level detail of the reports. The reports are put into an Excel format but can also be delivered in a PDF or HTML format as well. You can deliver reports via email, send them to a shared folder, FTP site, a Dropbox or SkyDrive account. With automated reporting and distribution, you can schedule your reports to run automatically at the time you choose and have those reports delivered in the way that you would like them to the people that you allow. This means that there is no more time spent trying to put reports together with new data, figuring out who gets which report, and no more time spending too much time on reporting. If we would like to run a different report, we can use another desktop shortcut with our other report, enter in the parameters, and watch as the report is run. In this case, we will take a look at the financial report that includes an income statement, balance sheet, and other financial reports, all in one workbook. Both this report and the sales report are part of the 17 standard reports that come with Sage Intelligence Reporting and are ready to use. We will also take a look at the Sage Intelligence Reporting Designer add-in for Excel. The Sage Intelligence Reporting Designer add-in allows you to be able to quickly and easily edit reports to your liking, simply using a drag and drop functionality. The reports are dynamic as well, so if we change a reporting period, the report updates itself. Having this type of functionality gives you power into your reporting, allowing you to be able to understand data on the fly and make important business decisions confidently. In fact, our customers continually tell us that Sage Intelligence Reporting helps them save 25% or more of their time spent on reporting, helping give you time back in your day. Sage Intelligence Reporting allows you to do consolidated financials, and if you have reporting needs from other databases, you'll most likely be able to do consolidated reporting on that data as well. This includes the ability to schedule reports from other systems. In this example, we can see how using reporting trees makes it very easy to do divisional or regional reporting through drag and drop functionality, allowing you to quickly build the report that you're looking for and giving you different insights to help you fully understand your business. There are different ways that you can invest in your business with Sage 300 ERP. You can purchase a license outright, done on a per-user basis, or only purchase what modules you need today with Accpac access licenses. You can subscribe to the software with a per-user monthly fee, or you can get it online with a per-user monthly fee as well. Since change is constant, Sage provides business care to help you adapt and change. Sage Business Care helps you to receive new version releases, helping protect your company against becoming an abacus. Sage Business Care also offers phone support with knowledgeable experts that can connect to your system remotely to help troubleshoot. It also includes 24/7 access to the Sage knowledge base, giving you the information you need at any time. Maintenance updates and critical solution notifications will help to safeguard your data and keep your operations running smoothly. Our Gold Plan subscribers can take advantage of upgrade planning assistance to review your system requirements, identify third-party considerations that you may have, and for help with troubleshooting the upgrade process. And all Sage Business Care customers will receive access to our community site where you can interact with experts and like-minded business professionals, as well as receive discounted training courses through Sage University. Maximize your investment with Sage Business Care. So invest in your business today.
Call Sage at 888-760-0947 or visit www.sage300erp.com to chat with a live business advocate. This is your year to change. Thank you and have a wonderful day.